Hi, so I have a quick little Stickii Club video for you inside the Cute and Vintage monthly set for January. I'm Tammy Inman. This is A Peach Life, and here's the closer look. Now this one arrived already open, so we'll go ahead and start with that one. Luckily, it looks like everything is inside. Oh, wow, that was like a real true reaction there. My goodness, it's a bat. It says forever. Clearly, if you've been around my channel long enough, you know these are not me. These are so not me. Oh my gosh, look at this. It says like beloved, immortal beloved, and some skulls. Oh, no. You guys are really going to be seeing this pack on my Peach Life Mercari account for sure. Oh my gosh, the little skull and bone person. But listen, if you're into this, you're gonna really love this style because this is, wow. Wow, look at him. Oh my goodness. I mean, this could not be further from me, which is just, it cracks me up. You never know about the vintage. Sometimes it could be really cute, like bookshelves and books and vintage teapots and clocks, and then it could be that guy, the little bat guy. Okay, so like this is really cute, little quilts and stuff, warm and cozy like feeling. Okay, I love that. Oh, this is a definite no. Okay. Well, you guys are getting my true reaction on these videos, that's for sure. Okay, so that guy's a definite no. Oh, yeah. That one's kind of, oh, no. If you look up close at the face, oh, yeah, that's a definite. These are no's. These are no's for me. Wonderful for someone else. Could be just like, oh, Goldilocks for somebody else. Oh, look at, we got little paints trying to peek in there. Go, paints, go. Okay. Yeah. Definitely no. Okay. These are absolute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I hope I can post this video. I like to really just film live for you guys. So if I make a mistake or something happens, or you could just kind of see the process. Because when I say like, oh, just go for it, just do it. Like I really do mean that. So I like to show you the process. So if there's something, but wow, let me back this guy up. Holy moly, he's so nuts. He looks like he's a groovy, dancey kind of wild guy, that bat. I don't know. That's the little feeling that's coming across for me right now. Oh, wow. Oh, look at it. Oh, my. A little Valentine heart. Yikes. With a little wrap of bandage. Vintage bandage. Okay. I mean, I should just throw this in there, but no. This one's like warm, good colors. I like it. I can see myself using it. So I don't even know how this one made it in it. It might be a mistake, but usually I feel like it has a lot of this kind of goodness. All right. Okay, vintage January kit. It's a no. So let's see what the cute has to offer. Oh my goodness, I think right out the gate, I'm loving it. Who's that little zany guy? Oh, so cute. Is that like a little kitty with a flower? I don't know. Do I need my little magnifying glass? My goodness. And the bike, so cute. A little cruiser. Love it. That's adorable. Okay, so we'll set that guy aside. Let's go. Little flight thing. Looks like a cat, possibly a little cat in there. I like the little memo pad. Cute little guys. Okay, so far so good. I mean, sometimes I love every sticker from both packs, and sometimes every blue moon, it's a bust. There was a brief moment where there was a couple months that were a bust, but then the months after were like, oh, so good. Completely made up for it. Okay, so this one's a little bit very cute, but a little no for me. And then this one, can we see that? We can't see that. We need white. Let me see here. Let me see here. What do I have that's white here? Some important paperwork we'll use. Okay. That is really good. I like those little guys. I like that these look like little stamps and things too. Okay. Ooh. I think this guy's gonna have to be a no, although I like his little scooter, his twirling of his spaghetti on the fork. All right, this one is a yes. I like this one. Very cute. And then, I didn't know this was gonna be a review video, but they're really, making me think on this one. All right, I think that guy's a no. This one's a yes. Yeah, that's cute. Look at the little like Polaroid camera, the little duck, cats, cat. We just win. Oh, look at like little cats on a subway or something. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. These penguin guys, they're pretty cute. They're a maybe. Oh, this just is beyond a plus. This was worth it all. The cats that look like they're on a subway cart, but with grass and plants and a cat up top. This is some good little imagination. I like it. And look, it kind of matches and goes with from the other set. So those were a must. So I think, okay, if you're interested in those guys, I would say, I don't know. I want to say yes, but I want to say no. I'll say no because they go together. Okay. Okay. There. Look it. So there's my Stickii Club for the month. Out of the vintage and cute. All right. Well, if you guys are interested in the other, I would take a peek this coming week here after I post this video. And there probably will already be on my Mercari. I've been trying to get those up quick. I even have you guys messaging me now. Do I have any more? Have I not posted them? So I'm trying to get them up super quick because I know at times I have 10 or 20 sets in the past, and wow, that's a lot putting those all together. So, okay, am I able to zoom in there a little? Look at those guys. I should have came in closer for all of them for you guys. All right, well, there is the little monthly Stickii Club. Very, very cute and wonderful these ones are, but sadly quite a few that were no's for me, but yes is for someone else. So if you enjoyed the Stickii Club, or if you do the Stickii Club, let me know in the comments. Let me know if we had some of the same no's, or am I just like way off? But thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll put some of the other Stickii Club and some of my art journal videos right here for you to click on and take a look at. Thanks.